Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you feeling a little sluggish lately? Maybe you're looking for that extra edge in your workouts, or just want to feel more vibrant and energized every single day. Well, you've come to the right place. What we eat has a huge impact on how we feel, and today, we're diving deep into the future of nutrition. We're going to explore 10 incredible superfoods that are set to take the wellness world by storm in 2025 and 2026. These aren't just trendy, they're packed with nutrients to help you feel your absolute best. And the best part? We're also focusing on how to source them sustainably so we can take care of our planet while we take care of our bodies. Ready to upgrade your grocery list and fuel your body, right? Let's get started. First up on our list is something you might be seeing more of: kelp. This isn't just seaweed for your sushi. Kelp is a nutritional powerhouse from the ocean. It's incredibly rich in iodine, which is essential for thyroid function and regulating your metabolism. Think of your thyroid as the engine of your body. Keeping it happy means more energy for you. Kelp is also loaded with antioxidants and minerals like calcium and iron. You can find it dried to sprinkle on salads and soups, or even as kelp noodles for a low-carb pasta alternative. Sustainably farmed kelp is a win-win, as it actually helps clean the ocean waters. It's a fantastic way to add a unique savory flavor and a huge nutrient boost to your meals. Next, let's talk about the Mankai duckweed. I know, the name sounds a bit unusual, but trust me on this one. This tiny floating green plant is being hailed as one of the most complete plant-based protein sources on the planet. It contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein, which is often a challenge for plant-based diets. It's also incredibly rich in iron, vitamin B12, and omega-3 fatty acids. Because it grows so quickly in water, it's a highly sustainable crop. You'll likely start seeing it in powder form to add to your smoothies or protein shakes. It has a very neutral taste, so it won't overpower your favorite recipes. It's a game changer for anyone looking to boost their protein intake, especially if you're plant-based. Our third superfood is the mighty moringa. Often called the drumstick tree or miracle tree, nearly every part of this plant is packed with goodness. The leaves are the real star, though. They contain an incredible amount of vitamins A and C, calcium, potassium, and protein. In fact, gram for gram, moringa has more vitamin C than oranges and more potassium than bananas. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, which helps your body fight off stress and stay healthy. It's most commonly found as a fine green powder. I love adding a teaspoon to my morning green juice or even stirring it into a bowl of oatmeal. It has a slightly earthy, spinach-like taste. It's an easy and effective way to get a concentrated dose of vitamins and minerals. Moving on to number 4, let's get friendly with fermented foods. This isn't a single food, but a whole category that's getting more and more recognition for its incredible health benefits. We're talking about things like kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, and kombucha. The fermentation process creates probiotics, which are the good bacteria that live in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to everything from better digestion and a stronger immune system to improved mental health. When your gut is happy, you just feel better overall. Try adding a side of kimchi to your rice bowl or starting your day with a glass of kefir. Just be sure to choose products that are naturally fermented and kept in the refrigerated section to ensure the beneficial bacteria are alive and active. Superfood number 5 is the kernza grain. This one is really special because of its focus on sustainability. Kernza is a perennial grain, which means it grows back year after year without needing to be replanted. This is amazing for soil health. Its deep roots help prevent erosion and capture carbon from the atmosphere. But what about its nutritional profile? It's a great source of fiber, protein, and antioxidants. It has a sweet, nutty flavor and can be used just like wheat to make bread, pasta, and even beer. By choosing kernza, you're not just getting a nutritious whole grain. You're supporting a type of agriculture that helps heal the planet. Keep an eye out for it in specialty health food stores and bakeries. At number 6, we have a vibrant and delicious fruit, the maqui berry. Hailing from Patagonia, This deep purple berry has one of the highest antioxidant concentrations of any fruit on the planet, even surpassing acai. These antioxidants, called anthocyanins, are what give the berry its rich color. They help combat inflammation and protect your cells from damage, which is key for long-term health and graceful aging. Maqui berries have a tart, blackberry-like flavor. You'll usually find them as a freeze-dried powder, which is perfect for blending into smoothies, stirring into yogurt, or adding to your oatmeal for a beautiful purple hue and a powerful antioxidant kick. It's a delicious way to give your body's defense system a major boost. Next up, at number 7, let's talk about hemp seeds. These little seeds are a true nutritional gem. They are an incredible source of plant-based protein and are rich in healthy fats, particularly omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids in a perfectly balanced ratio for our bodies. This balance is crucial for reducing inflammation and supporting brain health. Hemp seeds also provide a good dose of magnesium and iron, two minerals that many of us don't get enough of. They have a mild, nutty flavor and a soft texture. I love sprinkling them on salads, blending them into smoothies for a creamy texture, or mixing them into my morning yogurt. They're an effortless way to add protein and healthy fats to literally any meal. Our 8th superfood is the amazing world of mushrooms, but not just any mushrooms. We're talking about functional mushrooms like lion's mane, reishi, and cordyceps. These have been used in traditional medicine for centuries and are now gaining mainstream attention for their unique benefits. Lion's mane is studied for its potential to support brain health and cognitive function. Reishi is known as an adaptogen, helping your body manage stress. And cordyceps is often used by athletes to improve energy and endurance. You can find these in various forms, from powders to add to your coffee or tea, to capsules. They offer a natural way to support everything from your mind to your muscles, helping you adapt and thrive in our busy world. Coming in at number 9 is the humble but powerful watercress. This leafy green is often overlooked, but it's one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat. It consistently ranks at the top of lists for nutrient density, meaning it packs a ton of vitamins and minerals into very few calories. It's bursting with vitamin K, which is essential for bone health, and it's loaded with antioxidants. Watercress has a unique, peppery flavor that adds a fantastic kick to salads, sandwiches, and soups. You can even blend it into a pesto. It grows in water, and sustainable farming practices are making it more accessible. Don't let this green pass you by. It's a simple addition that delivers massive nutritional rewards. And finally, our 10th superfood to watch is cacao. No, I don't mean a sugary milk chocolate bar. I'm talking about raw, unprocessed cacao in the form of nibs or powder. Cacao is one of the richest natural sources of antioxidants on the planet. It's also packed with magnesium, which can help with muscle relaxation and stress reduction, and iron for energy. It even contains compounds that can boost your mood. The flavor is rich, complex, and slightly bitter, which is the sign of a high-quality product. Add cacao powder to your smoothies, sprinkle nibs on your oatmeal, or make a healthy hot chocolate with warm plant-based milk. It's a delicious, guilt-free way to satisfy your chocolate cravings while fueling your body with amazing nutrients. And there you have it, 10 incredible, nutrient-dense, and sustainable superfoods to start incorporating into your life in 2025 and 2026. From ocean greens to ancient grains, there are so many exciting ways to fuel your body for optimal health. Remember, wellness is a journey, not a destination. Small, consistent changes are what make the biggest difference. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you're feeling inspired to try some of these amazing foods. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.